we're gonna make Chinese barbecue pork with glazed onions, rice, broccoli as well. Today's request actually is from BA. I'm gonna call him BA China. And then Chinatown. Yes, gosh dang it, China's name is so hard to say sometimes. BA China. Okay, BA China. Okay, I'm gonna go with that. The first step I'm gonna probably do is I'm gonna get this in the oven. This is probably the easiest part for me. Everything else is gonna be cooking. I don't have any. Hold on. Perfect. Okay, use my foot. Let's make rice next. I'm glad you're washing the rice. It brings honor to my family. If you do not wash the rice, you know, that's people's feet in the rice. I'm gonna use the rice water to feed the plants too this time. I think it's a little bit cloudy, but that's fine. We're gonna cut the onion. I'm not gonna be too accurate with my cutting, but it's gonna be fine. We got like 2 minutes, okay. Alright, let me grab the wok. This is the wok. Hey, don't worry about the don't worry about this, okay? This is totally fine. Just scrub your wok and send it to the washer. But it's clean though, it's clean. It was charred at one point, yeah. I had to like scrub off the char and then I scrubbed off the Teflon coating, but it came off and I was like, oh damn. I'm gonna cook the onions in here. I'm also gonna cook the broccoli in this pot. Butter and oil. Put it together. Yeah, onions. Perfect. Once it starts like turning brown, then I'm pretty good. And so I'm just gonna put some oil into the water. I'm gonna mix it up in there, and then I'm just gonna put that for now. Man, I'm caramelizing slowly. Okay, I'm caramelizing it. Oh yeah, look at that, baby. How that looks pretty good. I just need to like glaze it more though.
Juice, sauce, little bit of dressing, ice,
yeah.
Juice,
I already marinated, but I just like adding a lot of sauce. Lots of sauce. It's starting to glaze. Look at that. That looks pretty good actually. Put more of this sauce. Yeah, I'm actually out of sauce. Onions look good. Yeah, they're looking... You know what I just realized? I forgot to turn this on. Oh man. The water wasn't being cooked at all. It's dark brown sugar. I think that's pretty good. We don't need a lot. Let me get some salt as well. Yeah, I'm just gonna drop this in there. Okay, there we go. Guys, rice is done. Boom. I think this is like a Japanese thing, but I'm gonna fluff the rice here. There we go. Perfect. Whew. Oh yeah, that's cooked, guys. This is done. So this is pork shoulder, and then I got this as well. Boom. We got the onions all cooked as well. The last thing I need to cook now is the broccoli. It's supposed to be really shiny when I'm done like cooking it. I think it's ready. I'm just gonna reuse the broccoli water to make the sauce. Mix garlic, water, a brown sugar, oyster sauce. Last is cornstarch. I don't know how much I'm putting in here. That looks pretty good until I need to add more or something like that. And then I'm gonna mix this all together. You can see the cornstarch is like thickening up here. Looks like miso. Yeah, it does. What? Yeah, there we go. I think that's pretty good. And then I can mix this in. I'm gonna let that cool off and then we'll put that on top of the broccoli.
Let's eat.
Here we go. This is the caramelized onions. Oh, so good. Yeah, it's actually really good. Yeah, there's the broccoli with the glaze. It tastes really, really good. And then the rice too. There we go. Nice. All right, the last thing we haven't tried is the pork. Okay, let me try it. Oh my god. It's so good. Oh my goodness. It's so good. Okay, here we go. Here's your portion.
Eat it.
Say, Sorry. Can't take the bite of this ring. I remember like getting the recipe and there was 2 methods to do it. The other method was to make the sauce from scratch, but then I found a Chinese store nearby and I was able to get the sauce. There we go. That's the sauce right there. That's all I use. Oh no, I put also other sauce to marinate it. The oyster sauce, like a tablespoon of this, and then the hoisin sauce, and then this sauce. And that was pretty much it for the marination. This one jar changes everything. Yeah, this is pretty good, guys. Hold on. I wish I could share it with everyone. My goodness, this looks very good. Yeah, I'll share. Harry Potter Sword Hat agrees. Guys, guess what? What do you call it? What is my if you guys can guess who I like what school I am? You think it'd be Slytherin, you know? But I'm not. Hufflepuff? Guys, got kicked out. I did not get out of work. Yeah, I'm Hufflepuff. I'm a Hufflepuff, guys. I thought it would be Gryffindor, but I'm not. Oh, you want barbecue pork? Oh my gosh, it's so good. Oh, I'm fasting. Hello. What magic can be cast upon me? I'm starting to... I'm so sad. It's called Be Hungry. Here you go. None of those local restaurants are sell this dish. Oh, really? They don't. This is really good. Like, this is like one of the best things. Yeah, hold on. The camera's not focusing. Oh my gosh. Are you fasting for Ramadan? No, I'm not. I don't think I celebrate. Oh man, I'm actually getting quite full. I only ate one of these guys, and I'm already full. I can eat this for like another 2 more days, and I'll be pretty happy. You know, this is like a dead giveaway because I'm from America. You know, just this right here. It's like America. America. You guys want a root beer float? This is a Diet Coke with ice cream, a bit of honey, and almond milk. It's my version of the root beer float. It actually tastes pretty good, you know? Oh my gosh, Tay. It's a root beer float! My goodness, this chat's a mess. I do like my bananas, actually. Low-key, bananas. We gotta raid Autumn's house for food. What? I forgot to cut your guys' portion. I ate my portion already. I need to feed you guys too. That's important, right? Okay, here you go. This has got to be the juiciest one right here. I gotta say, this looks like the juiciest one. Oh my gosh, this one's mine. No, I'm actually Chinese. I'm actually 1/10 of a Chinese, okay? If you guys want to make this at home, I definitely highly recommend marinating in a bag. And then if you find an Asian market, you'll be able to make everything from home. Next week, we're cooking coffee ramen. I know coffee ramen, everyone does not like me cooking coffee ramen, but it's a tradition to cook the coffee ramen, okay? It's a tradition. Oh my gosh, great. What is these bits? What the hell? You guys are so funny. Thank you for the 6-7 bits. I appreciate it, Nomi and Crit and Matt. Thank you so much. Do I have to do it? I have to do it. All right. For the bit. Okay. 6-7. 6-7. 6-7. 6-7. No, I'm good, guys. I'm good. Don't worry. I'll never do that again. Ever. Guys, thank you. Thank you for the 67 bits. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. All right, guys, we're gonna go upstairs. Hey, thank you for everyone that's come out today. I think this is one of the funnest streams I've had. Just chatting and like cooking the food as well. So if you guys want to tune in for Sunday, we'll make some coffee ramen. I'm glad you guys enjoyed being here, enjoyed the cooking experience as well. We have leftover food. If I ever get the chance to cook for everyone in the future, I'd be quite happy. If you watched the video when we did the Uma Musume in Minecraft, I did say it in October, and I didn't even know it. And I didn't even know it until later it became a meme, and I was like, oh my gosh.